Hey guys, welcome to Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare hot and spicy masala french fries. These are easy and crisp fries which are basically prepared out of potatoes and other herbs and flavors to it, and then they are fried to golden. So let's quickly see how to prepare this quick and easy peasy french fries. Over to my kitchen. Here I've soaked the potatoes which I've peeled and cut into long pieces like french fries in salted water. Now remove them and lightly pat dry them using a kitchen towel or a napkin, and then spread it on a large tray. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together the corn flour with salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, carom seeds, coriander powder, oregano. You can also use some mixed herb Italian seasoning over here and mix it nicely. Now sprinkle this prepared spice mixture over the potatoes and dust them nicely so that they are well coated with all of it on all the sides. Now I am going to sprinkle very little water with hand and again coat it well so that the spices sticks onto it. Now heat oil for frying, and now lower the fries into the hot oil in batches and fry them, turning occasionally until they become golden brown in color on all sides, crisp and cooked through. Once fried for enough time, remove them on a kitchen towel and serve hot with some mayo ketchup dip on the side. So my crispy and golden fried masala french fries are ready. So my crispy and flavorful masala french fries are ready. You can try this with some mayo ketchup dip, or you can also try with sour cream on the side. And do try this lovely recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Kanak's Kitchen. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.